Hi, my name is Emily Wambui and this is my YouTube channel, Busy at Home. Let me introduce myself. I'm a wife, I'm a mom, and most importantly, I am a Christian. I believe that our homes are God's gift and everything that comes with it. What do you think about when you think of home? Don't you think of the food and warmth and love and cozy hugs? My goal for this channel is to help you to create simple, delicious meals for your friends, for your family that are healthy and budget friendly. I'm going to help you to clean your home to make it cozy and beautiful so that you can enjoy being in your space, so that your friends and family can enjoy visiting, but most importantly, so that you can create memories with your family. So click that subscribe button and don't forget to ring that notification bell so that you do not miss out on any of the upcoming videos. See you!